All right, we got the fake news smash-o-mash weather report coming at you. Start out looking at the AccuWeather National Doppler Radar. We got some steady rain going on in California, as you can see. No big deal. No reason to put on any kind of a protective gear at all. No suit of armor required. Next. The northern part of North Dakota, near the Minnesota border there's one heavy little storm, and hey, let's put some ink up. Hard hat area right there. Hard hats, caves, motorcycle helmets, maybe even a set of shoulder pads. There could be hail. Look how dark red that thing is. Wowzers. It looks spooky. Now, that's related to the big picture here, and we're going to get into it. So let's take a closer look at some other instruments. We're going to look at the NASA shortwave image, and now you're able to see Hurricane Chris, which is directly about 75 miles off the coast of North Carolina there. But let's take a closer look at the bigger picture of what's really going on here. Right. Now, what's happened is a triangle's been formed between three different sects of magic users. Clearly. And we're going to show you the evidence here. All right. Right down here with this crazy storm in Mexico, right in that area, that's where your necromancers are located. Mexican necromancers, right there. Okay? Now, we've been talking about the Druids for a while now. A few videos talking about the Druids. And they've been hanging out near Lake Huron. So if you look at this area, spells are being cast right there. Guaranteed. And we're going to show you the big picture here in a minute. Last but not least, we covered it a couple days ago. The Illuminati are clearly on a boat up here off of Nova Scotia. And so what do you end up with? Well, we're going to draw it out to make it obvious. Apparently somebody's mad at Europe. As we all know, some trade wars have been kicking off. So if there's some stuff to get scared about, it's the fact that some wizardry has created this crazy triangle of low pressure systems. And if you're in the center of the country where all that dry air is located, you're right in the middle of it. Okay? So that's what's going on. A combination of the Illuminati up here, Mexican necromancers over here, and druids in the Lake Huron, southern central Canada region are clearly sending a hurricane to Europe. All right? We're not sure why this is, if it's because of tariffs or if it's a response to response tariffs or what the deal is. But clearly, Illuminati, necromancers, and druids sending a hurricane. It could get all the way to Iceland. Maybe their banks are about to go down in Iceland again. We don't know. We're not sure. But if anybody has any insight into this, please let us know. And remember, on your way home, if you're driving, don't drink. And if you drink, don't drive.